Here's a thought with a dot. Practice makes perfect, and that's a fact. But simple? Simple always makes perfect. Simple is Ritello, and your Ritello makes cleaning perfect. The all-new Ritello Special Edition DP2 series. First impression? Feel free to judge. Now let's talk heart. A double power motor creating the highest airflow in its line. Other distinct features? Simple. 4 speeds to choose from. Simply press the plus or minus buttons for different velocity. To optimize the cleaning filtration process, the Ritello DP2 is equipped with a large water basin that can withhold up to 4 liters of water. And now, introducing a revolutionary trio. The first wet and dry electric nozzle in the world. Leading Librex has done it again. Vacuum, shampoo, and sterilize with the trio from Ritello. Your roll brush is equipped with a comfortable ergonomic handle, a straight tube that ensures no airflow loss, a height-adjustable rotator to remove the rooted sand and dirt from your old cleaner. Avoid free fallovers or toppling with the upright lock mechanism that keeps your Ritello Trio roll brush standing still. Tough stains? Shampoo the toughest of them right out with a Ritello roll wash. Bring in the rejuvenating cleanliness of Mother Nature to your home with the Purello. Just pour a few drops of the Ritello perfumes and treat your senses to a garden scent and feel. If you need it, we've thought about it. Your Ritello comes with a wide range of multi-purpose tools. The swiveling dusting brush for dust pickup. Avoid scratching delicate trails with the crevice tool. Clean and protect your sofas with the sofa tool. And for those hard-to-reach places, the coil stick. Inflate beach balls, air mattresses, and balloons with the blower tool. For your scratch-free tiles, hardwood and marble surfaces, the floor tool. For your stairs, car interior, and mattress, the air-powered brush. For your most efficient cushion cleanup and maximum usage of your storage areas, the Ziploc bag. More options? Yes! And top of the line electrified and non-electrified hoses, a 7-meter electric cord winder. Just click and store. Great things come in equally great packages. How can you not want to protect or even gift the Ritello DP2 series? The aesthetically designed laminated gift boxes will protect your Ritello from any possible damages or scratching. The all-new Ritello DP2 series. The world's first cleaning system now with the revolutionary wet and dry electric nozzle. Simple as Ritello, and your Ritello makes perfect. Ritello, the power